Welcome to the channel, you lot. Today we're not messing about with fancy foams or Michelin star muck. We're diving straight into the heart of healthy cooking with everyday foods that are absolutely packed with essential vitamins. You heard me right. No need for overpriced supplements or complicated diets. We're talking simple, delicious ingredients that'll boost your health without breaking the bank. Stay tuned because if you think you know your vitamins, you're in for a bloody delicious surprise. Right, let's talk spinach. This humble leafy green has been around for centuries, and it's time we give it the spotlight it deserves. You might think it's just rabbit food, but this leafy green is a bloody powerhouse of nutrients. It's not just for the health nuts or the fitness freaks, it's for everyone who wants to live a healthier, more vibrant life. We all know it's got iron, but listen up. It's also bursting with vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for various bodily functions, and spinach is one of the best sources you can find. That's right, a vitamin trifecta. Each of these vitamins plays a unique role in keeping you healthy and strong. Vitamin A, crucial for your eyesight, you donkey. It helps maintain good vision, especially in low light conditions. So if you want to keep those peepers sharp, spinach is your friend. Vitamin C, for a fighting fit immune system. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It also aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, making spinach a double whammy of goodness. And don't even get me started on vitamin K, essential for healthy blood clotting. Without enough vitamin K, your body can't produce the proteins needed for blood clotting, which can lead to excessive bleeding. So if you want to keep your blood in check, load up on spinach. And the best part? It's so versatile. You can add it to almost any dish to boost its nutritional value without compromising on taste. Wilt it down with some garlic for a side dish, and you've got a simple yet delicious addition to any meal. The garlic not only enhances the flavor, but also adds its own set of health benefits. Chuck it in a smoothie, and you've got a nutrient-packed drink to start your day. The mild flavor of spinach blends well with fruits, making it an easy way to sneak in some greens. Or layer it up in a lasagna. It adds a fresh, vibrant touch to this classic comfort food, making it a bit healthier without sacrificing any of the deliciousness. Don't tell me you're a picky sod who won't touch the stuff. Spinach can be prepared in so many ways that there's bound to be a recipe you'll love. From salads to soups to casseroles and even desserts, the possibilities are endless. Get some spinach in your life. It's not just for Popeye, it's for anyone who wants to feel their best. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bunch of spinach and start experimenting. Your body will thank you for it. Next up, almonds. These little powerhouses are not just your average snack. Now, these little nuts are more than just a tasty snack. They are a treasure trove of nutrients that can boost your brain power and overall health. They're packed with vitamin E, and I'm not talking about some wishy-washy vitamin. This is the real deal, folks. Vitamin E is a vital antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Imagine it as a shield, guarding your cells against harmful invaders. Think of it as a bodyguard for your cells, fighting off those nasty free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells, leading to aging and diseases. And let's be honest, who doesn't want a bodyguard for their cells? It's like having your own personal security detail, ensuring your cells stay healthy and vibrant. Plus, vitamin E is brilliant for your skin. It helps maintain your skin's health and appearance, keeping it smooth and youthful. Keeps it looking young and fresh, not like a dried up prune. Regular consumption of almonds can give you that radiant glow we all desire. So ditch the crisps and reach for a handful of almonds next time you're feeling peckish. Not only are they delicious, but they also provide a satisfying crunch that can curb your cravings. Your body will thank you for it. You'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Almonds are also a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a well-rounded snack option. You can enjoy almonds in various ways. Add them to your salads for an extra crunch, mix them into your yogurt or oatmeal, or simply enjoy them on their own. Ever tried almond butter? It's a delicious alternative to peanut butter and can be spread on toast, added to smoothies, or used as a dip for fruits and veggies. Almond flour is another fantastic option. It's gluten-free and can be used in baking to make healthier versions of your favorite treats. And let's not forget about almond milk. It's a great dairy-free alternative that you can use in your coffee, cereal, or smoothies. So, whether you're looking for a quick snack, a cooking ingredient, or a dairy alternative, almonds have got you covered. Incorporate almonds into your daily diet and experience the numerous health benefits they offer. Your brain, skin, and overall well-being will thank you. Share the goodness with your friends and family and spread the word about this amazing brain power snack. Almonds truly are a small nut with a big impact. Now let's talk about a real crowd pleaser, the mighty sweet potato. This humble root vegetable is a nutritional goldmine, especially when it comes to vitamin A. We're talking eye-popping amounts of vitamin A, essential for sharp vision. Don't want to end up squinting at the telly like a blind bat, do you? And it doesn't stop there. Sweet potatoes are also packed with fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, not to mention regular. Roast them, mash them, even chuck them in a curry. There's no excuse not to have this vitamin A superstar on your plate. Listen up, you lot! Today we're diving into something that might just change the way you think about your breakfast. Greek yogurt isn't just a trendy breakfast bowl fad. It's not just about the creamy texture or the tangy taste that makes it a favorite among food enthusiasts. This creamy delight is a top source of vitamin B12, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in keeping your body in tip-top shape. And let me tell you, your nervous system will thank you for it. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of your nerves and blood cells. Think of vitamin B12 as the electrician of your body, ensuring that all the wiring is intact and functioning properly. It keeps your nerves firing on all cylinders, making sure that your brain can communicate effectively with the rest of your body. Without it, you'll be feeling sluggish, forgetful, and just plain out of sorts. Imagine trying to run a high-tech machine without proper maintenance. And it's not just good for your nerves. Greek yogurt, with its rich content of vitamin B12, offers a plethora of benefits. Vitamin B12 also helps your body produce red blood cells, which are vital for transporting oxygen throughout your body. These little fellas, the red blood cells, are like the delivery trucks of your body, ensuring that every cell gets the oxygen it needs to function properly. So, ditch the sugary yogurts and grab yourself a pot of Greek yogurt. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall health. Your brain and your blood will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energetic, but you'll also be supporting your body's vital functions. Imagine being able to concentrate better, remember things more clearly, and feel more alert throughout the day. That's the power of vitamin B12, and it doesn't stop there. With a healthy nervous system and an ample supply of red blood cells, you'll find that your physical performance improves as well. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or practicing yoga, your body will be better equipped to handle the demands you place on it. Even your mental health can benefit. A well-functioning nervous system can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to stay calm and focused. And let's not forget about sleep. With a healthy nervous system, you'll find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. So, the next time you're preparing breakfast, think about the benefits of Greek yogurt. It's more than just a tasty treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports your overall well-being. Share it with your family, and let everyone enjoy the benefits of this amazing food. After all, a healthy family is a happy family. So go ahead, grab that pot of Greek yogurt, and start your day off right. Your body, your brain, and your blood will thank you for it. Remember, when it comes to your health, every little bit helps. And with Greek yogurt, you're giving your body a big boost of goodness. So here's to a healthier, happier you. Enjoy your Greek yogurt and let it be the hero of your nervous system. Now, who would have thought that mushrooms, those little fungi that grow in the dark, could be a good source of vitamin D? Well, it's true. Mushrooms are like little vitamin D sponges, soaking it up from the sun. And we all know how important vitamin D is, right? It's essential for strong bones, a healthy immune system, and even your mood. Now, I'm not saying you should be munching on raw mushrooms all day long, but get them in your stir-fries, your stews, even your omelets. A little bit of sunshine in every bite, even on a rainy day. So there you have it, 5 everyday foods that are packed with essential vitamins. No need for fancy supplements or complicated diets. Just good, honest food that'll nourish your body from the inside out. Now what are you waiting for? Get yourself to the shops and stock up on these nutritional powerhouses. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious cooking tips. See you in the next video.